Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and around the world observe the Kashmir Martyrs' Day today, reaffirming their commitment to continue their struggle for the right to self-determination. Call for the observance of the day was given by the All-Party Hurriyat Conference to pay tribute to the martyrs. However, the occupation regime imposed restrictions across the occupied territory. The shopkeepers were forced to keep their shops open to prevent the shutdown strike. These martyrs were shot one after the other by the Dogra Maharaja troops on July 13, 1931. The authorities placed under house arrest several political leaders to prevent them from visiting the martyrs' graveyard. Umar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti took to the social media to condemn the regime's actions, stating that the sacrifices of the martyrs would not be forgotten. Despite the restrictions, people in various parts of the valley tried to take out the marches towards the martyrs' graveyard, but they were stopped by the Indian occupation forces. They used brute force to disperse the protesters. All Parties Hurriyat Conference and International Forum for Justice and Human Rights Jammu and Kashmir, in their statements in Srinagar, denounced the Modi regime for imposing restrictions, carrying out arrest and suspending the holiday on the Martyrdom Day today. Rallies, seminar and other events were held in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and the major cities worldwide to pay tribute to the Kashmiri martyrs. In Islamabad, the speakers at a seminar organized by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter said July 13 is an unforgettable day in the history of the Jammu and Kashmir.